Follow these steps to pick a moving company you can trust to get the job done. 1. Choose the right type of mover. Want to be hands-off with your move? If so, a full-service moving company could be a good fit. If you'd rather take a DIY approach, partner with a self-service mover that provides mobile storage. 2. Check the company's licensing. Find a moving company's licensing number on its website. Then use the Department of Transportation's online tool to ensure the license is active. 3. See what people are saying. Check reliable third-party websites for ratings and customer reviews. 4. Dig deeper into the brand's reputation. Take note of how many years the company has been in business and see if it's won any awards for its services or community involvement. 5. Check for deposit requirements. A moving company shouldn't ask for more than a 20% deposit up front, and some don't require any payments until the move is complete. 6. Get estimates from multiple providers. Compare quotes from at least 3 moving companies to get the best rate for your move. With these tips in tow, you can choose a mover and schedule your relocation with confidence.